Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of JessicaLynnOriginal. I am the owner and artist of our company, and I wanted to go ahead and make a card with you today that features one of our stamp sets. It's called Kids in Costume, and they are dressed up as Cinderella and her prince. And we are going to go ahead and make this easy card. There's not a lot of things you need, so you need to find some really great background paper. I've had this paper stack for quite a long time, and I love the blue. Look at this blue in the background. So beautiful. There it is. I love the detail in the back of this, so I think it's going to be perfect for the background paper of our card. And then we've got our cardstock, and let me go ahead and grab the stamp set so that we can go ahead and get this together. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to go ahead and trim off the excess because I don't want that, see that darker color on the back? I only want that beautiful blue and like greenish pattern. And I'm going to go ahead and actually put that on my card right away. You can see I'm going to line it right up, commit, and flip it over. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim off all of the excess for the card. And there's our adorable stamp set, and this one I'm showing you is still available at our website, again, just JessicaLynnOriginal.com. I'll include all of the links below, so if you are looking to pick up this stamp set, you can go ahead and do that. All of our stamps, just as a side note for you, they are high-grade photopolymer, which is one of the nicest clear stamps that you can purchase. They are all made in the United States, and they, again, all drawn by me. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my white cardstock, and I'm just going to trim off a little piece so that I can go ahead and stamp Cinderella and her prince. And as you can see, all of the stamps are professionally packaged. They have a nice version of the stamp so you know where to put it back once you're done using it. Now I went ahead and put it right on the clear block, inked it up really well, and watch how good of an impression it makes right away. So this is without warming up the stamp a couple of times. This is truly right out of the package to the ink and stamp. Beautiful line imaging. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that off my block, put it back, and we'll put her prince right next to her. And then we'll go ahead and add the sentiment down below, and I decided to go all about true love's kiss. So I decided to stamp that below them, and they kind of look like they're holding hands a little bit. And let me just close up all this ink and stamps. And I decided that I'm going to color them with a combination of Copic markers and glitter pens, two of my favorite coloring tools. I thought with the like skin tone and everything, I'll do those in the Copics, and then I'll do some shadowing. And then I think their costumes that they're wearing, I think those I will color in with the glitter pens, just so they have sort of this extra special look to them. So I'm going to go ahead and color this in really quick, and then after we're done with that, we'll go ahead and assemble this card. I absolutely love the glitter pens with the contrast of the Copics. One of the things I've been loving to do lately is, instead of just using like gray to shadow, I use a little bit of the same or a darker shade like I did for his hair, and it just gives it a little bit more contrast. So now what I decided to do was go ahead and just trim a little bit closer to the pear. Once I had everything together, I decided that we're going to go ahead and mat the image on a piece of yellow paper. I thought it would make all the extra pieces on his jacket and her hair just sort of pop. And I'm using a little Inker's die cut. It's a rectangle stitch. And what I'm going to do is just run it right through my Cuttlebug and see if we can go ahead and actually mat that adorable little stamped image. And then we'll put it up on some foam risers and actually put the card together. So I'm going to go ahead and take some glue, and I'm going to put Cinderella and her prince right on the yellow paper. Again, just with glue, no foam risers or anything. Ooh, I love how the glitter, you can see the glitter pen there quite a bit. They look so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that. Oop, my glue is alive. I'm going to glue that on. And we're going to flip it over and center. Beautiful. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to take the foam risers and I'm going to use that to just add a little bit of dimension to the back of the card. I'm going to put that right on the yellow squares. Let me just put that on real quick. And I decided to do 5 just to make sure that the center didn't sink in on me. And then go ahead and peel these off. And I'm kind of bummed I don't have my assistant today, so I'll be doing all that myself. But we'll go ahead and peel these off, and then I will center this on my card. I love it. I think it's so cute and super easy to make. Don't forget to sign the back of your cards. I know you hear that from me every time, but you know, it's you being creative and artistic, and if you give this card to somebody, you know, down the road many years from now, they might go, hey, who made that card? And they'll see your signature on there and, you know, relive happy memories. So I highly encourage it. So I think we are good to go. I love this. I mean, I could put some extra embellishments, but I just sort of feel like keeping the card simple is really what my goal was. Maybe some little sparkles next time, but I think for right now we'll leave it at this. Well, thank you so much for watching the video. Again, my name is Jessica Lynn, and I am the owner and artist for JessicaLynnOriginal.com. If it was your first visit with us, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you've been part of our group before, thanks so much for joining our community. I thank you, and I hope you have a great night.